Hi there, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Judith Abolle. I'm a lecturer in mechanical CAE. So the reason why I teach mechanical CAE is because I've studied mechanical engineering for my first degree and computer systems engineering for my second degree. And then for my PhD, I've had a mix of both courses, and that's why I've been asked to teach mechanical engineering. Yeah.
Fantastic, so let's start your 23 questions. What's your biggest strength, Judith?
My biggest strength has to be my ability to work under pressure.
Tell us one thing about you that would surprise most people.
That should be the fact I'm spiritual and I've got the gift of dreams. I'm able to see events years before they happen.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Pray and meditate.
Who inspires you?
My dad. He was orphaned at a very young age and he was left to take care of his sister, and he was able to do that successfully, and today he's carved a niche for himself in the business world.
What's a habit you wish you could break?
Addiction to coffee. I am addicted to coffee.
What do you do to relax?
Walk. Take a walk when I want to relax.
What inspired you to do a PhD?
I've always loved teaching and research, but most importantly, the main reason why I've decided to do a PhD is because I believe no one's going to listen to me if I haven't got that title behind my name. So, especially in Africa. And if I really do want to inspire young people, then I should have a voice. And I believe a PhD does give me the voice I need to do what I need to do.
Favourite module to teach?
It has to be mechanical CAE. And that's because it's a course that invokes creative thinking in students. And it is very interesting to see how creative students could be with a little push.
If you could be a student again, would you?
Absolutely, yes. And the reason being that I would develop on my strengths, and that's something I wasn't able to do the first time.
What's the most challenging thing about your role?
It is to constantly prove to people that I'm a competent mechanical engineer, and that being a woman or being a black woman doesn't make me dumb.
You're the Edinburgh Napier champion for the Women in Engineering Society. What's the best thing about that group?
So the best thing about being about the West Group is that women who are further up in their careers get to show their achievements to the younger generation of engineers and also to inspire them.
Where do you see yourself in the future?
So I see myself as a renowned professor in mechanical engineering and of course a force to reckon with.
Who's your idol?
Oprah Winfrey. And that's because she's been through so much to get to where she is today. I mean, you know, she was born in poverty, she was born to a teenage mom, she was a teenage mom herself, but she has had to overcome all of this to become one of the most influential women in the world.
Name your ideal dinner party guest.
Oh, definitely Chimamanda Adichie. And that's because we sort of share the same values, and I can relate to her experiences because we come from the same part of the world.
What makes you laugh the most?
So that's the excuse the students give for late submission of their coursework.
iPhone or Android?
Definitely iPhone. I don't joke with security.
What's your message for aspiring female engineers?
So my message will be to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. And be confident, and also to find mentors earlier on in your career.
What do you want your legacy to be?
I would definitely want my legacy to be the feminist that shattered the stigmatization of women engineers in Nigeria.
All engineers wear hard hats. True or false?
I'd say false. The reason being that we've got design engineers who sit in offices to do the actual work, and obviously from design to prototype takes about 5-10 years, and they get to sit in the office to do all the work, and just because they don't wear hard hats doesn't make them less of an engineer.
How do you feel about being a woman in engineering?
I feel very proud. Being a black woman, it's particularly challenging to excel in a male-dominated field. So I actually do feel proud of my little achievements.
What's your life motto?
It is, there is nothing you cannot achieve if you set your mind to it. All you need to do is be determined and strong.
Name one thing you want to change.
I want to change the notion that women don't make good engineers.
And finally, Judith, What does International Women in Engineering Day mean to you?
For me, it is a global campaign to celebrate the achievement of female engineers, and it is also an opportunity to create awareness in the younger generation of women. And obviously the exciting opportunities that engineering has to offer young girls.
Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you.